How to launch a clothing business with only AI. Follow my steps. Hold on to your seat because today we're diving into a game-changing strategy that's about to transform the way you think about making money online. Brace yourself because on Profitability Plus, we're unraveling the secrets of skyrocketing success in the world of e-commerce like never before. Welcome back, ambitious entrepreneurs, to Profitability Plus, the channel that's your one-stop destination for unlocking the vault of profit in the digital age. If you're tired of the same old tips and tricks, if you've been craving a breakthrough in your online endeavors, then you've landed in the right place. Today, we're about to shatter the status quo, taking you on a journey that will have you redefining success on your terms. Picture this, a world where your side hustle isn't just a hobby, but a well-oiled machine of profitability. We're not talking about quick fixes or empty promises. We're talking about a game plan backed by data, strategy, and innovation. Our mission? To guide you through every step of the way as you launch your very own professional clothing business that's poised to conquer the market. Are you tired of drowning in the sea of competition, struggling to stand out? Get ready to transcend the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary as we delve into the art of finding designs that'll make your customers hit that add to cart button without a second thought. The first step in your journey towards e-commerce domination is to master the art of finding designs that capture attention, evoke emotions, and resonate with your target audience. Here's the deal. It's not just about throwing darts in the dark and hoping one sticks. You need a data-driven approach that marries creativity with calculated risk. Enter Merch Informer, your compass in the sea of design possibilities. While there are myriad tools out there, Merch Informer stands head and shoulders above the rest. This powerhouse not only equips you with a treasure trove of design options, but also empowers you with the insights you need to make informed decisions. Imagine a dashboard that's your command center for competitive analysis. With a few clicks, you can dig into the best-selling designs that are sending ripples through the market. This isn't just about mimicking success, it's about understanding why certain designs are striking a chord and using that knowledge to craft your unique winning formula. And let's not forget the Movers and Shakers tool, a game changer that deciphers the cryptic language of bestseller ranks or BSR. It's like having a crystal ball that tells you which designs are on the brink of going viral. Riding the crest of a trend wave? It's not just possible. It's inevitable when you have this arsenal in your e-commerce toolkit. Of course, tread with caution. While inspiration is everywhere, remember to steer clear of trademark minefields. Disney characters may be beloved, but their legal team isn't one you want to tangle with. Be smart, stay original, and forge your path to success. But the design hunt is only the tip of the iceberg. Our journey takes us deeper into the realm of design analysis. Numbers don't lie, and when it comes to profitability, they are your guiding light. The Trend Tracker tool isn't just about identifying what's hot, it's about deciphering the patterns that lead to sales gold. Here's where the real magic happens. With a few keystrokes, you're peering into the future of demand. Don't just bank on hunch, let the data paint the picture. Consistent sales ranks and soaring BSRs aren't just abstract concepts. They are your roadmap to building a catalog that's in tune with the market pulse. Hold on, we're not done yet. Once you've cherry-picked the designs that promise the most bang for your buck, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get creative. Midjourney steps in as your design genie, turning your textile prompts into visual masterpieces. But this isn't about cookie-cutter outputs. It's about infusing your unique brand identity into every pixel. When crafting your prompt, think beyond keywords. Think about the story you want your design to tell. A vintage-style hockey helmet isn't just a collection of words. It's a journey back in time, a celebration of sporting heritage. Unleash your imagination and give Midjourney the raw material it needs to weave your vision into reality. And here's a pro tip. Experimentation is your ally. Don't just settle for the first output. Tweak your prompts, explore different angles, and discover design variations you never thought possible. This isn't just about generating designs. It's about pushing the boundaries of creativity and carving a niche that's uniquely yours. But what's a design without quality? It's like a Ferrari with a missing engine. It might look good, but it won't take you far. This is where AI Image Upscaler steps in, transforming your creations from good to stunning. Say goodbye to pixelated disappointments and hello to high-definition excellence. Now, imagine this. Your design, bold and vivid, gracing a hoodie, sticker, phone case, and wall art. That's the power of diversification. Your designs aren't one-hit wonders. They're versatile assets that transcend mediums. Don't just aim to sell a t-shirt. Aim to dominate an entire niche with your design universe. But let's address the elephant in the room, the question that lingers in the mind of every budding entrepreneur. How do I sell this? Print on Demand enters the scene, emerging as a hero for those on a budget. It's the gateway to profitability without the headaches of inventory management and shipping logistics. With Print on Demand, your focus shifts from production to promotion. We're talking about a hands-off approach that frees up your time to channel your energy into marketing and growth strategies. But remember, convenience comes at a cost, a percentage of your profit. However, the freedom it offers is a trade-off worth making. The final piece of the puzzle? Social media mastery. It's not enough to just list your products. You need to be where your audience is. From Pinterest to TikTok, these platforms aren't just virtual billboards. They're launchpads for engagement and sales. Wait, don't even think about clicking off because the real magic is just around the corner. We are about to reveal some expert techniques that'll turn your sales trajectory into a steep uphill climb. From leveraging organic traffic to the power of social media, we're arming you with strategies that'll have your products flying off the digital shelves. Are you ready to take the plunge and boost your profits beyond your wildest dreams? Then, my friends, you're in for a treat. But here's the catch. You need to stay tuned until the very end. Why? Because we're going to drop a knowledge bomb that'll supercharge your results, transforming your business into an unstoppable force in the world of e-commerce. As we wrap up today's journey, remember this. The path to profitability isn't paved with luck. It is forged with knowledge, strategy, and action. So, hit that subscribe button now and ensure you don't miss a single golden nugget of wisdom we're about to unveil. Profitability Plus is your passport to a new era of online success. And that's a wrap. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay profitable.